Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the circuit on both the hot and neutral wires. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cover on the underside of the handle. Now I have access to the switch. I'll note the location of each of the wires and then go ahead and remove them. Now I can install the new switch. As I place the new switch into the housing, I need to make sure that I align the wire actuator with the slot in the switch. With the switch in place, now I can re-secure the wires. And I'll finish up by replacing the cover. And now you know how to replace the switch in your sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.